Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create a poster design for the shoe of your choice. You guys can pick any shoe. I've already chosen my shoe and I've found an image of it from the internet, which you can start with. I've also chosen the presentation format in Canva, but you can choose the poster size, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to start by just inputting my shoe here, and then to divide the space, I'm going to put a box around it. So I'm choosing to not start with a template, and you can use one if you'd like to. So you can see that it's got like a white background on it, so I'm going to hit the background remover tool to get rid of that white background, and now it should be just the shoe. And I want it to be the main focus of my ad, so just resizing it. And then I'm going to go over here and choose a text, something that kind of like represents the aesthetic of Doc Martens, so a little bit like punker, like like hipster is great for this. And I'm going to write the name of my product. I think that looks pretty cool. I'm going to get rid of that extra text at the bottom there. So I want to add in some sort of like a background, I think. I'm going to do like black denim print, maybe. See what comes up. I'm just going to type that in and see what I can find. There should be some cool backgrounds that come up. They give you a bunch of different options to choose from. I kind of like the idea of checkers. Ooh, well, maybe I'll do some like footprints in there on the side. That's kind of cool. And then maybe I'll combine that with this like cheetah print, make it look a little punk rock. So I'm going to position that to the back. So I'm going to go up to the top toolbar. I'm going to click backwards a bunch of times until it kind of disappears into the back. And I'm going to crop it. So I'm trying to select just my cheetah print background, but it's selecting my box. So I'm going to send that back. And now I'll be able to select my cheetah print and then crop it so that it doesn't go onto my text. I'm also going to change the color of that to be a little bit less dark. And then I want my boots to be a different color, so I'm going to select my boot prints to be like a contrasting color. But I actually don't like the way that looks, so I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to make that bigger. So that's like a good start. I might add in some more elements and some more things, but right now I've got kind of like a vintage cool style poster. It's kind of like punchy. It's very simplistic. I could change it a bit, but I think I'm going to leave it. So that's how you kind of use some of the elements in Canva. And you can feel free to use a template or play around with your design as much as you want.